What's the meaning of council estate? Council estate. Council estate.
Council estate. Council estate. A council estate is a type of public housing in the United Kingdom, built and managed by local authorities. These estates were created primarily to provide affordable homes for low-income families who could not afford to purchase their own homes. Council estates often included amenities such as community centers, parks, and playgrounds, as well as shops and other services. However, over time, many council estates have become associated with social problems such as crime, poverty, and unemployment, and have been the subject of various efforts to regenerate them.